everyone, welcome back to the channel Live with Sudipta. Today's vlog is from our trip to Switzerland, starting with the mighty Rhine Falls. And then we'll be exploring the charming city of Zurich. So let's go. Rhine Falls is the largest waterfall in Europe. Not the tallest, but the most powerful. It's been roaring here about 15,000 years, formed during the last ice age. So just imagine that. We took the boat ride, and trust me, it was worth it. Wow, what a sight! You can actually feel the power of the water crashing down right next to you. It's loud, it's wet, and it's unforgettable. This has to be one of the coolest things we have done in Switzerland. Don't skip it if you are nearby. After our exciting morning in Rhine Falls, we made our way to Zurich, Switzerland's biggest city, but still very walkable and charming. Welcome to the largest Swiss city, Zurich, the business capital of Switzerland. Zurich is an interesting mix of old and modern and has everything a globalized city needs. Fraumünster, one of the important church of Switzerland, you will recognize it from its characteristics, light blue color. We are now on the Rothers Bridge, the bridge of the city hall. The old city of Zurich is not too large and you may easily get around just by walk. We joined a walking tour to learn more about the city, and it was such a great way to connect with the history and the vibe here. Zurich's old town is full of narrow alleys, beautiful churches, and quirky little shops. And this is a hidden gem tucked away in the historical heart of Zurich. This is the ancient Roman bath, which consisted of the underground heating system, a cold pool, a humid hot room, and a steam bath. Can you imagine? Zurich's main shopping street is actually one of the most expensive shopping avenue in the world. From luxury brands like Gucci, Rolex, Swiss chocolate stores, the street has it all. Even if you are not shopping, it's a great street to walk down. This is one of the prettiest alleys with flags, old houses, and one of the Instagram hotspot. It's a lime tree.
This is a place usually for it was matured people who have a lot of time. They can play jazz over there. And the gate people wear their costumes. They are 23 different years.
We arrived up here at the Lindenhof and we have a phenomenal view over the old city, Zurich. It's a great street to walk down. The trams, the clean sidewalks, the people, everything feels super polished here.
And if we didn't have to turn around, if you told me not to make a sound and I hide in you, we'll take flight. When we make it to the other side, and the smoke is heavy in our eyes, I'm still finding you. We'll be fine.
We have a great view over the Limmat. The name of the river is Limmat.
Always finds a way. Yeah, the river always finds a way. River always finds a way.
Our guide told us Zurich was originally a Roman settlement. Over centuries, it became a center for trade, politics, and later, the Protestant Reformation. Basically, Zurich has been at the center of some big changes in European history, but today it balances that history with modern life beautifully. This is another historical place, the House of Lenin. During the First World War, Lenin lived here with his wife almost about a year.
They means the leather bags.
We wandered through Zurich's old town. This area is full of charm. The street, old gilt houses, buildings, and the local cafes. We are in front of Grossmünster, the largest Protestant church in Zurich. It's also the place where Reformation started. We are here at Bellevue, which means beautiful view in English. In sunny weather, people love to come here. Zurich surprised us. It's full of stories, hidden spots, and peaceful corners. Whether you are here for a day or a week, there is always something new to discover. Let me know your favorite part in the comments, or if there is something I should visit next time. And hey, if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, it's me, Sudipta Ghosh, signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye.